Hey folks, on target training. Up here today shooting the Savage Mark II in 22 long rifle. We have a Muller scope on it. This is a 4 by 14 and this little rifle here is really fun to shoot. It has an exceptional trigger and it's really clean and crisp. I'm just out, I've got a target out there 25 yards. We've got a nice little group going. I'm a little low, so I'm going to make a couple of adjustments, go a few clicks up, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about the gun as well as give you guys a chance to see our targets downrange. This gun was sold to me by my good friend Jim. Jim, thanks so much for making that deal happen. It's really fun and it's a great gun to work precision accuracy on, and especially for new shooters who are getting familiar with operating a firearm. It has a manual safety. Of course, the bolt means I've got to manually insert a cartridge every time I want it. All right, we're going to make a quick adjustment and we're going to keep shooting in just a moment. So we're 25 yards from our target. I just ate a black fly. Ugh. And we've got a decent group going out there 25 yards, and we should, because of the fact that the high-powered magnification of the scope and the relatively solid bench that I have here is aiding in our accuracy. So this gun really seems to like the standard velocity CCI ammunition. We've got a good group down there. It looks like it's pretty much one hole. We'll take a walk down range and show it to you guys. So guys, here's the hole. We pretty much got most of our shots right in there. One just outside, the rest of them all basically in that same hole there with one slightly out. Very, very easy to do that with this gun. Well folks, that's a quick look at the Savage Mark II for 22 long rifle. With that CCI standard velocity ammunition, this thing is a tack driver, and of course the Muller scope doesn't hurt at all. Phenomenal trigger with the Mark II. Actually with any Savage rifle, the trigger system is just so clean and smooth. It's also a ton of fun to shoot and actually work on precision marksmanship. I'm primarily a pistol and carbine guy, but I have to say going with a precision rifle is an awful lot of fun. Hey guys, really appreciate you watching. Finally, and as always, stay safe.